All right, good morning, boys and girls. So, another part of the homework that you have to do is related to plural, okay? Because many of you in the first written production that we did, you did some mistakes with the plural. Now, obviously, in English and in French, plural is plural. So if you have more than one element, then you put plural, hein? J'ai un vélo. I have one bike. I have a bike. J'ai plusieurs vélos. I have many bikes. Okay, bicycles. Okay, so you just put the S. Well, you just put the plural form. Now there are several ways to make nouns plural in English. This is the most common one. Okay, whenever you just add the S. Okay, egg, eggs, clue, clues, dollar, dollars. Okay, one egg, two eggs, one clue, two clues, etc., etc., etc. You just put the S over there. You have to be careful though, because there are some exceptions in a way. So you add es, okay, when a noun ends in sh, sh, s, x, when that's the last sound that is pronounced. So dish, you're gonna put es because it's like this: dishes. Match, matches. Mass, masses. Fox, foxes. The reason is very simple. It's a phonetic one. Okay, if I just put the s over there, dish, and I want the sound is already sh, dish, so there's no way to know if it's singular or plural. Okay, so in order to make it more obvious, then you just add the es: dishes, matches, masses, foxes, etc. So whenever this sound is at the end. Okay. Now, if a noun ends in a consonant plus the letter Y, change the Y to IES. Okay. So here, for example, the last letter is a Y, and then the letter that comes before is a consonant. Okay. So you transform it in BIES, babies, IES. Same thing here, city, cities. But look here, what's the letter before? The letter is a vowel, so in this case, the rule doesn't apply. Okay. If a noun ends in the sound change F for VES. Shelf, shelves. Knife, knives. Okay, there are some exceptions here. I'm going to show you how exception works. If a noun ends in a consonant plus the letter O, echo, echoes, tomato, tomatoes, hero, heroes. Some exceptions also. There are some irregular here, some that don't change. One deer, two deer, etc., etc. Foreign plurals, well, doesn't really matter. Okay, basically, what I want you, not that it doesn't really matter, sorry, but it's just that I'll explain. I'll show you what to do. Here at the bottom, here you have a website, wordreference.com. If you're not too sure, then you go online. Okay. You go online, wordreference.com, and you click here and you scroll down all the way down. So you click on the little thing there and you scroll all the way down and you go, for example, to English definition, and you write a word, egg. If you write egg, if there's nothing here written, it means that you just put the S, eggs. If I write baby, 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 look here. It gives you the plural, babies. That's how you put it plural. If I write tomato, tomatoes, that's how you put it plural. Okay, so you can find it. If we write, for example, if you're not too sure, for example, if I have this here, mouse, a mouse, Mickey Mouse. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hope and a world of fear. There's so much that we share that it's time to be aware. It's a small world after all. That's another thing. Mouse is here. The plural, mice. So if you're not sure about how to write a word at its plural form, you can always use wordreference.com. You go on English definition, and then you're gonna have the word over there. Okay. All right. Take care, guys. Bye bye.